everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the customer credit limit warning Odoo application by BrowseInfo. It helps you to control the customer credit risk by setting a credit limit for each customer. When confirming a sale order or invoice, the system will automatically checks the outstanding balance and if it exceeds the limit, a warning pop-up appears to the block approval. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just move forward with the sales module and under orders, I'm just selecting one customer and here I'm selecting the Azure interior and I'm setting up the credit limit for 1500 and I'm just going to save it. Now I'm just going to create a new quotation and selecting the customer as Azure interior and here I'm just going to add the product and confirm the same. So now I'm just going to click the confirm. So here you can see one wizard will open. We set up the customer limit as 1500 and we are going to proceed with the order of 2250. So it will show the warning. Now I'm just going again to the customers and here I'm just going to select one checklist for the override limit. So from this option, you can able to override the credit limit of the customer. So now I'm just going to the quotation and now when I'm just click to confirm the same, you can see our sales order is completed and the credit limit is 1500 but we have exceeded it and override the same so it will 2250. Thanks for watching. So basically from this application you can easily manage and restrict the sales or invoices based on the customer credit limits. You can get the instant alerts when customer exceed their credit thresholds and maintain the better financial control. If you have any questions or doubt, mention them in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to the BrowseInfo channel for more Odoo related updates and tutorials.